What's up, YouTube? This is Frank from Simmons Racing 187. I got a little short video here I want to let you guys see. Last week, my daughter came home from her college summer session, and I told her later on that night I was going to give her truck away to her older brother. So needless to say, she wasn't too happy about it. She calmed down when she found out I had a replacement for her. But check it out, look at her face, tell me what you think. Definitely leave a comment, like, and definitely subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Hey, Brian, did mommy say anything to you about Ian wanting your truck?
No. I'll let him tell you.
He really wants it. But I know you didn't want to depart from it.
But we said he could have it.
And then maybe we look for your car later, since you're going to be at school.
Sure.
You know. You fine with it?
Yeah. Because he's going to come and get it tonight or tomorrow?
Maybe tonight. Or
Tonight?!
Ron, we want to go. Where'd she go?
No.
Ron, come here a second. Look at that. Oh my God. Ron. Leah.
What?
Turn around for a second. Will this make it better?
What is that?
Keys to your new car.
It's so annoying.
It's out front, across the street. Go check it out.
Oh, you're crying.
For no reason.
Right. I hope you like it. It's across the street. The red one.
The red one?
Yeah.
No, this is probably another joke.
Try the remote. Now what?